Are you ready to discover the ultimate blend of rugged design, power, and luxury? The 2026 Subaru Outback Turbo is here, and it's ready to redefine what you think about SUVs. Let's dive into why this vehicle is perfect for both everyday adventures and off-road excitement. Before we jump into the details, make sure to subscribe to Car Release TV, like this video, and share it with your friends who are as excited about new cars as you are. Let's make sure no one misses out on the latest in automotive excellence. Starting with its bold new design, the 2026 Subaru Outback Turbo brings a modern edge to Subaru's rugged legacy. This SUV has an aggressive stance with sharp, powerful lines that give it a muscular look from every angle. Subaru has gone with a wider grille, which not only enhances its road presence, but also brings an air of sophistication to the front end. The black mesh grille, paired with sleek LED headlights featuring adaptive beam technology, makes a strong first impression. These adaptive beams aren't just for show. They boost visibility during nighttime drives and provide extra confidence on those off-road trails. As we move along the side, you'll see the 18-inch wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, made to handle everything from rocky trails to smooth highways. But if you're looking to make an even bigger statement, Subaru offers a 20-inch wheel upgrade that takes the SUV's rugged appeal to the next level. The robust wheel arches, reinforced with protective cladding, underline the Outback Turbo's off-road-ready design. At the back, functionality meets style, with features that make life a bit easier and more adventurous. The hands-free tailgate is a game-changer. Just wave your foot under the bumper, and the tailgate opens automatically. Perfect when your hands are full after a long day of exploring or a grocery run. The rear design also includes dynamic taillights and integrated roof rails, giving you the flexibility to load up bikes, kayaks, or even set up a rooftop tent for the ultimate outdoor getaway. Once inside, the Outback Turbo's cabin is all about blending luxury with practicality. Subaru has clearly invested in creating a comfortable, driver-centered experience. Premium materials cover the seats and dashboard, making every drive feel like a first-class experience without sacrificing space. Everything is designed to make sure you feel connected to the car and the road. And now, let's talk power. Under the hood, Subaru packs a 2.4-liter turbocharged boxer engine, capable of producing 260 horsepower and 277 pound-feet of torque. The Outback Turbo takes the same engine found in Subaru's Ascent model and fine-tunes it for a more dynamic feel, giving drivers the thrill of power with the stability of Subaru's AWD. It's more than just an engine, it's the heartbeat of an SUV that's ready for any adventure you throw at it. So, what do you think of the 2026 Subaru Outback Turbo? Is it the perfect SUV for your next adventure? Let us know in the comments. And remember, if you enjoyed this deep dive into the latest in automotive design, power, and luxury, hit that subscribe button for more updates on the latest car releases. Thanks for tuning in to Car Release TV. Until next time.